I'm Saurabh Khanewal, Assistant Professor in Apex University, Jaipur. I have completely 11 year experience in the field of kitchen operation research. So I have started a online lecture series due to COVID era conditions, a special lecture series of operation research subject which completely solves all our doubts. If you have any type of doubt in this subject regarding operation research, any type of doubt, then you WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number or mail me on the mail ID. In this series, today is the second part of the operation research series. First part I was covered on the 19th of July, in which we study about the what is LPP, what is the mathematical format of the LPP, and how we create LPP equations from the destructive problem. What is the advantage and disadvantage of LPP all are discussed in the last session. In today's session, I have considered a real-time problem about the LPP formulation, a case study of the LPP formulation. So we move out on the today's lecture series. First lecture series is case study of the LPP formulation. In this case study, we consider a real-time example of a businessman. How can we manage our business with the LPP, with the operation research? How we create our LPP program, how we create the maximum profit. So here we consider a case study. Suppose you are the owner of Cooking Store, planning annual sale of shirts and pants. सपोज आप सब अपने आप को सपोज कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे कि आप ऑनर हो, एक बिजनेस कर रहे हो, आप क्लोथिंग स्टोर्स के ऑनर हो एंड आप प्लान कर रहे हैं एनुअल सेल्स ऑफ शर्ट्स एंड पैंट्स. You are planning to use two different forms of advertisement, like radio and newspaper advertisement, in order to promote the sale. Based on past experience, you feel confident that each newspaper advertisement will reach 40,000 search customers and 80,000 paying customers. Each radio advertisement, he believes, will reach 30,000 search customers and 20,000 paying customers. The cost of each newspaper advertisement is 30,000 and the cost of each radio spot is 45,000. The advertisement agency will prepare the advertisement and it will require 5 hours, 5 man hours of preparation for each newspaper advertisement and 15 man hours of preparation for each radio spot. Your sales manager says that a minimum of 75 man hours should be spent on preparation of advertising in order to fully utilize the service of advertising agency. You feel that in order to have a successful sale, the advertising must reach at least 360,000 customers of search and at least 4 lakh customers of bank. Now, अब यहाँ पे यदि अपन केस स्टडी को ऑब्जर्व करें तो इस केस स्टडी में बताया गया है आप सब ओनर है किसी कॉकिन स्टोर के, किसी कॉकिन बिजनेसमैन के एंड आप अपने बिजनेस को प्रमोट करने के लिए प्लान कर रहे हैं दो टाइप के एडवर्टाइजमेंट. फर्स्ट वन इज रेडियो एंड सेकंड वन इज न्यूज़पेपर एडवर्टाइजमेंट. रेडियो न्यूज़पेपर एडवर्टाइजमेंट आपके पास 40,000 सर्च कस्टमर तक जा रहे हैं एंड 80,000 paying customers के पास, and radio advertisement 30,000 सर्च कस्टमर एंड 20,000 paying कस्टमर, और इन सबकी कॉस्ट दे रखी है। अब यदि यहाँ पे अपन आरपीपी की अप्लाई करें, यू आर सजेस्ट द मीडिया plugin फॉर एडवर्टाइजमेंट एट ए मिनिमम कॉस्ट एंड स्टिल अटेन द ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन। तो यहाँ पे अब अपना ऑब्जेक्टिव, जब आप सब बिजनेसमैन है तो आप सबका ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या हो रहा, एडवर्टाइजमेंट की बात है यहाँ पर। देन बाकी जो ऑब्जेक्टिव मिनिमम कॉस्ट मैक्सिमम एडवर्टाइजमेंट मीन्स मैक्सिमम कस्टमर, एडवर्टाइजमेंट कॉस्ट मिनिमम हो और आपके पास कस्टमर ज्यादा हो, ज्यादा कस्टमर का को, ये हमारा क्या हो रहा ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन। तो हेयर इस कंप्लीट यदि केस स्टडी को अपन सॉल्व करना जाए, आरपीपी फॉर्म क्रिएट करनी है। सिंपल work is given in your questions. First one is advertisement medium. Two types of advertisement mediums is available: newspaper and radio. Customers search customer with the help of newspaper advertisement 40,000 and with the help of radio advertisement 30,000, and bank customers with the help of newspaper 80,000 and with the help of radio customer. Number of customer of banks is 20,000. Cost of the advertisement. Newspaper advertisement cost is 30,000 and radio cost is 45,000. And man hours required for the preparing of the advertisement. For newspaper, 5 man hours are required. And for radio newspaper, 15 man hours are required. After that, their availability is also given in this case study. Search availability at least 3,60,000 and bank availability 4,60,000 are given in the program. Last line. Must reach at least 3,60,000 search customers and at least 4,00,000 bank customers. And for the preparing of the advertisement, minimum man hours are given 75 man hours for the preparing of advertisements. These are given in the program. So this program we prepare in the format of the tabular form. We prepare a tabular form of our given program of our case study. Now we want to prepare a RPP, means mathematical equations, linear programming program, mathematical equation of that RPP, of that case study. Then first, in last session I discussed about the how to prepare the RPP program. So for preparing of the RPP program, we require the decision variable. Here, decision variable are x1 and x2. Two decision variables are assumed. First one is x1, number of advertisement in newspaper, and x2, number of advertisement in radio. These two are our decision variable. Now, what is our objective function? In that type of case study, our objective function is minimization of the cost. Minimize the cost. So, objective function minimize of the cost for preparing of the x1 number of advertisement. Total cost is 30,000 x1, and for the radio advertisement 45,000 into x1. So total cost is 30,000 x1 plus 45,000 x2, which we want to minimize. So our objective function is minimum of z is equals to 30,000 x1 plus 45,000 x2. Now after that, constraint equations. For the constraint equation, first constraint are the search. For the search, total number of customers for with the help of newspaper advertisement 40,000 with the one advertisement. So total advertisement number is x1. So total number of advertisement is x1. So total number of customers with the x1 advertisement is 40,000 x1. After that, with the help of radio 30,000 into x1. These such customers are at least available is 3,60,000. So here our constraint is 40,000 x1 plus 30,000 x2 greater than and equal to 3,60,000. Why greater than and equal to? Because in that case study, given that at least 3,60,000 such customers are available. At least मीन्स मिनिमम इतने कस्टमर को आपके पास अवेलेबल है. इससे ऊपर मैक्सिमम कस्टमर्स नंबर ऑफ कस्टमर हो सकते हैं बट मिनिमम कस्टमर्स की है आपके पास 3,60,000. आपका है सेकंड कंस्ट्रेंट. फॉर द सेकंड कंस्ट्रेंट number of customer of the bank. So same process with the one advertisement of the newspaper, 80,000 number of customers are given. If our number of advertisement in the newspaper is x1, so total number of customer is x1 into 80,000. After that, with the help of one advertisement in the radio, 20,000 customers are available. Now our number of customer is x2. So total customer is 20,000 into x2. Now total paying customer is 80,000 x1 plus 20,000 x2. And paying customer with the help of radio advertisements, at least 4 lakh paying customers are available. So 80,000 x1 plus 20,000 x2 is greater than or equal to 4 lakh. This is our second constraint equation. After that, third constraint for the main hours availability. For the newspaper advertisement, 5 main hours required, and for the radio advertisement, 15 main hours are required. So total main hours is 5x1 plus 15x2 is greater than equal to 75. अब here why greater than equal to 75? Why greater than and equal to sign? Because in that type of case study, given that minimum of 75 mails hours should be spent on preparation of advertisement. Minimum time required is 75 mails hours for preparing the advertisement. This is given in our case study. So with the minimum sign is greater than and equal to. And most important equation for the RPP is non-negativity constant. X1 and x2 is greater than or equal to 0. This one is our non-negativity constant. So here, this is our complete RPP problem, RPP format of the given case study. So here I apply a case study for the RPP formulation. Now, if you have any type of doubt regarding RPP formulation, then please ask your doubt or message me your problem on WhatsApp number or mail ID sktecheducation@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the group or special group in which you all are added.